Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the surface so it's not guesswork. Clean thoroughly with 70% rubbing alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Make sure there's no wax residue. Once done, plan the layout, measure and mark edges with a pencil or use painter's tape to position templates. Now test one sticker by peeling a small corner and pressing lightly to confirm adhesion and finish compatibility. If it lifts, stop and choose a different sticker or surface treatment. You're ready to apply the sticker. Work slowly and deliberately. Peel the backing at a shallow angle while aligning one edge to your mark. Stick that edge first so you retain control. Then press down and use a squeegee or a credit card wrapped in cloth to smooth firmly, working center to edge to push out air. Make overlapping passes and keep steady pressure. This reduces bubbles and ensures full contact with grain or paint. If you need to reposition, lift gently and realign immediately. Finish by trimming any excess with a fresh blade held at about a 45 degrees angle. Cut slowly to avoid gouging the surface. Make sure to seal edges on high wear areas using a compatible clear matte sealer for longer life. If tiny bubbles remain, don't panic. Pierce the bubble with a fine pin, then press the adhesive out toward the puncture and smooth with the squeegee. If large areas lift, remove fully and reapply after recleaning. This prevents trapped dirt and future peeling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.